To set up a Twitter tracker for meme coins, you can utilize a free and integrated tool within a trading platform. The platform offers a 10% discount on all trading fees when you sign up using a specific link. Once you have an account set up, navigate to the Trackers tab, where you can customize your feed. This is where you can create and manage your list of tracked individuals, as well as view the top subscriptions, which are ranked based on the number of boosts and subscribers they have. Boosts are earned by trading Solana, with 1 boost per Solana traded, and can be used to elevate the ranking of your preferred trackers. You can easily add people to your list by clicking the plus button and remove them with a single click. The Twitter tracker also allows you to hide or show tweets, profile updates, and follows, enabling you to filter out unwanted information. Additionally, you can add your own Twitter handles or import and export lists, making it easy to share and discover new trackers. The platform also features Twitter alerts, where you can view all the activity going on, and you can have this overlay on your screen at all times, pinned to any location you prefer. This tool provides a convenient way to stay up to date with the latest developments and track your favorite meme coins.